Piercing bumps are more common than you actually think. You might feel, oh my God, why did this happen to me? Yes, it's fine. You can think like that because that's the way you will know what's the root cause behind the infection and you will not do it again. Having said that, do not feel traumatized and stop taking care of it. I have seen clients who have seen a piercing bump in a week's time and they have removed the earring, and then after 6 or 7 months they have come back and got the ears re-pierced. No, that's not what you should do. Whenever you get a piercing bump, what you essentially do, what is a piercing bump, by the way? Any redness in your ear and you will start seeing a little bit of bump. Do not get scared just by looking at the bump. You have seen so many bumps on the past videos on my nose piercing, here. Just go through the videos and now you don't see them. This one is healing really fast. Now, what's the magic? The magic is one simple formula. Take a bowl of water, take lukewarm water, just put your finger in the water. If you see that you can bear the heat, that's when you know you are ready for that. And take a cotton pad and put it on your nose if it's a nose piercing. For ears, just dip it. Okay, and then what you will see is that piercing bump which was red, you will start seeing white head of the pus. You want that pus to come out. So while you are doing this compression, the pus will come out. You will see the gunk in that water and you know that you are doing it right. So as soon as you do that, you have cleaned that place and then put sulfamycin. It takes time. It will not happen overnight. It takes time. So give it the time that it requires to heal. You might have to do it over and over again because you're getting, piercing, and it might take up to 1 year to heal. So give it that time and be patient. But at the end of the day, you will have this, beautiful stag that you always dreamed of. So isn't it worth it?